Well, improving services, improving finances, that remained the single-minded focus of Narendra Modi government as it presented its first real budget. While the government pushed for private investment and public-private partnership model to fund development, the minister pushed for 360-degree revamp of passenger services in railways. The railways budget presents any populist pitch with thrust on security, cleanliness and even linking fuel prices to ticket prices. Let's once again take you through the big ticket announcements that were made by the Railways Minister. He will be seeking cabinet approval for FDI in railways. Future projects will be funded by public-private partnership model and tariff hike will be linked to fuel prices. Narendra Modi government says it wants railways to become the largest freight carrier in the world. Well, there will be lifts and escalators that will be put at all the big stations. Scope of online booking will be expanded. Passengers will be able to pick coach and seat. CCTVs will be monitoring cleanliness in trains. Apart from that, cleaning responsibility at 50-odd stations will be outsourced. Not just that, pre-cooked food will be available. Booking facility at post offices will also be popularized.
देश अनुभव करेगा कि सच्चे अर्थ में हमारी रेलवे ये भारतीय रेलवे है। विज्ञान और टेक्नोलॉजी का भरपूर उपयोग आने वाले दिनों में हो। रेलवे जैसा तंत्र एडहॉक रूप से नहीं चल सकता। हर प्रकार के निर्णय प्रक्रिया के लिए, नए विजन के लिए, नए इनिशिएटिव के लिए इंस्टीट्यूशनल मैकेनिज्म होना बहुत जरूरी होता है। यह बजट ट्रांसपेरेंसी को बल देता है, इंटीग्रिटी को बल देता है। रेल का विस्तार भी हो, रेल का विकास भी